ready to race. And the race is on. Okay, approved from the outside, open slew. Rushing up, C Senor, Queen of Class. On the outside, running by the rally, Toddy's Best. And unequal is the early trailer, C Senor. Via line can have, okay, approved. 3A, open slew is racing from the outside. Queen of Class is running by the rally, Toddy's Best, racing in fifth. And Redemption second last and unequal. Rounding the far turn, C Senor, open slew. Okay, approved, running by the Ralph Queen of Class, Totis Best, remains in fifth by some 3 lengths and Redemption. Another far turn, C Senor, via length and up. Open slew is on the outside. Okay, approved. Queen of Class is racing in fourth in the middle. As they race the final corner, C Senor and Queen of Class down on the inside. Open slew 3A by the rally is okay, approved. And Totis Best on the further outside. Open slew 3A and by the rally is Queen of Class, C Senor and Totis Best. 3A open slew the leader. And finally, 3A open slew the horse of Mayor Benhar Abalos. Second, Totis Best, rather number 4, C Senor, Totis Best, and Queen of Class took